Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech A11 by Usha and myself Usha. In this podcast, I'll demonstrate how to set caps lock key as your insert key or JAWS key in JAWS screenreader. It's a beginner level podcast, so if you are already aware of it, you can skip the podcast. When you install JAWS screenreader, by default keyboard layout will be desktop, wherein numpad 0 and the insert key present on the top row above QWERTY keyboard will be your JAWS key. In order to set caps lock as your insert key or JAWS key, you need to change the layout to laptop layout. So just follow these steps. Go to JAWS application window.
JAWS Professional. To move to an item, press the arrow keys.
Hit Alt O to go to options menu.
Alt-O, options menu, basics ... To move through items, press up or down arrow B.
Hit enter on basics.
Enter, leaving menus, basic settings dialog, tutor messages, announce menu and control help.
In this basic settings dialog, keep tabbing till you find use keyboard layout combo box. Okay, so I'm tabbing.
Access keys automatically prompt to confirm when run JAWS from show virtual view, use keyboard layout : combo box, desktop 1 of 3 to change the selection used.
So currently desktop is selected. Hit down arrow and select laptop.
Laptop 2 of 3.
Tap to OK button and hit spacebar.
Windows OK button to activate, press spacebar.
That's it, you're done. When you don't have numpad on your keyboard, you can set your keyboard layout to laptop and start using laptop specific commands. That's all in this podcast. Thank you.